Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to be doing an easy everyday fall makeup look. So I'm going to start by prepping the skin. I'm going to first use my Revolution Hydrate and Fix Radiance Makeup Fixing Spray. This is long wearing and it's also controls the oils. I absolutely love this when prepping the skin. Then for moisturizer, this one has sunscreen in it and I really like it. This is from Jafra. This is the Jafra Gold Dynamics Skin Boosting Moisturizer, and this has SPF 15 in it. This is a little bit expensive, so I don't use this every day. And then another ITK product that I'm going to use to prep the skin is the ITK Nourishing Lip Balm. Okay, so we are going to start with the makeup. I always like to start with the eyebrows because if I do the foundation first and I brush through the brow hairs, it sometimes can go all over the place and I don't like that. So I like to start with the brows first. So I'm going to start with my favorite eye pencil. This is the Benefit Precising My Brow pencil. This is in shade 2 and I absolutely love it. So I'm going to brush through the brow hairs first and then I'm just going to fill in the brows with this. And then I don't do this every day, but I do really like to do this sometimes. So this is the NYX Lift and Snatch Brow Tint Pen in taupe. I just like to mimic the brow hairs with this. It's a very fine tip pen and I love using this. Okay, so for the foundation, I'm gonna go right into foundation. So for the foundation, I like to go in with this one for an everyday foundation. This is the Maybelline Superstay 24-Hour Skin Tint. I love this foundation. It totally looks like your skin and it's amazing. This one is in shade 110 and I love it. The only thing is the applicator is a little annoying. It's like one of those dropper things, so I just kind of take what's on the side of it and then just kind of paint it on the face like that. I feel like that is the easiest for me to use. So we are going to not put foundation underneath the under eye area because I want to do a kind of like a TikTok trend that's I use all the time now. So I'm going to use an eyeshadow base. This is the Nars Smudge Proof Eyeshadow Base to help the under eye area and the concealer not to crease on the under eyes. So I'm going to apply this first, and then I'm going to go in with concealer that is pretty close to my skin tone. And then I'm going to go right into contouring. So this is my favorite contour wand. I love it. This is the e.l.f. Halo Glow Contour Wand. This is in the Fair Light shade. I really like it. So this time, normally I just paint the brush and then apply it. So I'm going to use the Morphe Ariel brush number A58. And I'm just going to pat this in the cheek area first. Now I'm going to use a lighter concealer for a highlight. So I'm going to take the ColourPop Hyaluronic Creamy Concealer in Fair. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to apply this kind of right under the under area, kind of close to the nose, and then I'm going to go right on the forehead, Cupid's bow, chin, and under the contour area. Now that we have everything done, we can now set the face. I'm going to use the Rare Beauty Loose Setting Powder in Light. I love this powder. This is my first ever Rare Beauty product and I love it. It's so amazing. And then I'm going to go into blush. This is the e.l.f. Luminous Putty Blush. This one is in Belize and I'm going to use the Morphe Ariel brush number A22. I love to use this brush for blush. It's amazing. I love it for that. Especially cream blush. Cream blushes with this brush is really nice. Okay, now the face is done. Now we can move on to the eyes. I'm going to go in with my Nars Smudge Proof Eyeshadow Base. I wanted to use this eyeshadow palette because I feel like this eyeshadow palette is one of the best eyeshadow palettes for fall. I'm going to use the ColourPop That's Taupe eyeshadow palette. So we're actually only going to use, well, 2 shades, but one for an eye look and then one for basically a shadow liner. So I'm going to take Pebble Beach. Now I'm going to curl my lashes with my Tweezerman lash curler, and then we are going to apply my favorite mascara. This is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. This is the waterproof one, and this is in the shade Black. For lip liner, I'm going to take the NYX lip liner in nude beige. I'm going to line the lips and then fill them in, and then I'm going to go in to a liquid lipstick. I'm going to take the Maybelline Vinyl Ink liquid lipstick in, I think, where is it? Oh, Cheeky. This is one of my favorite Maybelline lipstick colors and liquid lipstick colors, and I love it. It's so nice. Okay, let's do the Bible verse of the day. This one is Psalm 35. For his anger is but for a moment, and his favor is for a lifetime. Weeping may tarry for the night, but joy comes with the morning. And that was Psalm 35. I hope you all enjoyed today's video, and see you guys on the next one. Bye!